Hey everyone, welcome back to Simplified by Singham. Welcome to our Python series. In the last exercise, we checked if a number is positive, negative, or zero. So now in this exercise, we are going to write a small but very useful program, that is to check whether a number is even or odd. Trust me, this is one of the most common beginner-friendly coding problems, and even once you learn it, you will see it pop up everywhere. So let's dive right in. So, before coding, let's quickly look at the flowchart. Always remember, a flowchart is like your Google Maps for coding. It shows you the path clearly. So here, if you observe the flowchart, we'll start the program and then we'll get the number. And if the number mod 2 equal to 0, then we consider it as true. And if it is not 0, then we consider it as false. So if it is true, we'll print the number is even, else the number is odd, and then we will end the program. Simple, right? Let's code this now. So all you have to do is always get user input and then enter an integer. So as we need integer, I'm going to keep it int. And now checking the condition. If num mod 2 equal to 0, then print the number is even. Else print the number is odd. So let's slow down and explain every part. First, we take input from the user and convert it into integer using int. And then comes the magic, which is the modulus operator. So num mod 2 gives the remainder when we divide the number by 2. And if the remainder is 0, it means the number is perfectly divisible by 2. So it is even. Otherwise, it's odd. So how do you calculate whether a number is even or not? Obviously, in mathematics, if we consider a number is true when it is divisible by 0. So how do you check whether a number is divisible by 0? When you get the remainder 0, then you say that the number is divisible by 0. So how do you check that? By using this modulus operator. Always remember this is different. This will give you the dividend of the calculation, and this will give you the remainder of the calculation. So if the remainder is 0, then you will say that the number is even. If the remainder is not 0, then obviously you will say that the number is odd. And that's it. Just a few lines of code to solve a real world problem. Now let's test it out with some examples. So enter an integer. Let's give it 6. You say the number is even. Okay. And what if the integer is 9? You say the number is odd. It works perfectly. And yeah, that's how you check if a number is even or odd in Python. And the best part, the same logic is used in many real world situations, like for example, deciding turns in a game, or scheduling tasks on even days, or simply checking whether a seat number is odd or even. So my little challenge for you is try this program with different numbers and see the results. And if this video made things super clear for you, then do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button so you can continue this Python journey with me, and also smash the like button if you learned something new today. Remember, every simple program you write is a step toward mastering coding. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next exercise.